Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to create bookmark and save bookmark, load bookmark and remove bookmark, and what is the use of bookmark. Because see, when you have doubt particular location or somewhere, so that time we can use bookmark. Okay, I will show now. For example, here this point feature it not snap to in this line or in this location. So what I have to do, this one I have doubt, I need to ask some technical person or team lead. So what I have to do, go to here bookmark, I will create here bookmark, then you can leave as it is or you can mention what you have to asking, you can write here also. So I will write just for example okay, I have written here need to ask for this point feature, then click OK. So now it is, I created bookmark, then I can move to some location, I will continue my work also. Again you have doubts somewhere, again you can create here also, you can create, it is snap to this point feature. For example here it is required or not, so you can create, and here you can create bookmark also and ask to your technical person. So click OK. So then you can move somewhere also, you can continue your work. Currently there is his technical person is not available, then you can save this bookmark, go to here bookmark, and here you can go to here bookmark management, click on this, you can save this one, select both, go to save, you can save selected one or you can save all, whatever here it is there, you can select all. So for example I selected 2, I will save that one, you can save in local path, I will mention some errors. So I saved in my local system. Then if you want show to technical person, just this one, click to zoom, or you can go to here, it is showing, click this one, automatically zoom in. So for example he is not available in the on that day, you can show tomorrow or day after tomorrow, tomorrow also. So for example I have closed this one, I will remove, you can remove this one, I will remove all. Then next day I came to an office, I will open this data, I want to show technical person. What I have to do, go to bookmark management, bookmark, here load, click on load, you have saved this data bookmarks, just select and open. See here added, we loaded. Okay, then you can show to your technical person, click on zoom, see here it is there. So what he say, this point feature is must be on line, so you can select point feature, move to on line. So this one is completed. So now you can remove this bookmark, select this one, remove. If you click remove all, it will delete all. So we clear one point one only, then you selected remove. Next I want to check this one also. So this one is not required, technical person say to us. So then I will delete this one also, I'll select and remove it. So guys, this is how to create bookmarks and save bookmarks, load bookmarks, remove bookmarks. Okay guys, thank you so much.